Hello viewers, you are watching watchcentre.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio men's analog wristwatch in stainless steel chain and silver dial. Viewers, it's a budget series Casio men's analog wristwatch. The price of this watch is less than $50. So viewers, this is budget series Casio men's analog wristwatch. And you can see the dial is simple analog dial. There's a numeric 1 to 12 hour marks, and also the date option is on the dial. As you can see viewers, Casio written on the dial and water resist, and also down below you can see Japan movement. There's a tiny Japan movement. So all the Casio watches, they come with Japan movement, as Casio is a Japanese company. So the chain has a pattern design, as you can see, and the buckle. So this is how you will open the buckle, and this is the back side of the case. It's also in stainless steel, this case. So that's how it is water resistance watch. And the inside of the chain. The model of the watch is MTP-V002D-7B. So it's a basic watch, simple watch. It's analog watch with date, and it looks pretty on the wrist. We will try this watch on the wrist. We will check the weight and also the diameter of this round dial. This one. So viewers, this is the knob. With this knob you can set the date and also the time. So in order to set the date, you need to pull this up, and when you move it counterclockwise, the date will change. And in order to change the time, you need to pull it further up, and you just move forward or backward to change the time. So viewers, we will try this watch on the wrist. So viewers, this is how this watch will look on the wrist. It's a pretty simple dial, but it's very attractive. It looks pretty on the wrist. So viewers, will check the weight of this watch and also the diameter of the round dial. So viewers, will check the weight of this watch in gram. So viewers, the weight of this watch is exactly 90 gram. So the weight of this watch is 90 gram, is less than 100 gram. So it's not lightweight, not heavyweight. The weight is okay, and we will now measure the diameter of the dial and also the thickness of this case. So viewers, will check the diameter of this watch in millimeter. So viewers, the diameter of this watch is 37 mm. 37 mm is the dial diameter, the round dial. And the area that basically fall on your wrist, that area is around 44 mm. So the round dial is 37 mm, and the dial that basically fall on your wrist is 44 mm. And we'll check the thickness of the watch, of the dial. Is around 10 mm. 10 mm is the thickness of the round dial. So viewers, you can order this watch in Pakistan on watchcentre.pk online store. Cash on delivery is available. You will get your watch in 3 to 5 days in Pakistan. And for international customers, we have given a link in the description, so please check the link and click on the link if you are not in Pakistan. And also you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 031022333484. And viewers, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel watchcentre.pk. Subscribe to our channel and click on the notification icon so that you can get the notification of video reviews of Casio men's watches, analog watches, and different other watches. And also you get to know the deals and promotions that we post time to time. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching the video.